Hi, my name is Tiffany and I present to you Joyride, a full-stack single-page web application for long-distance rideshare. If you'd like to learn more about me or connect with me on LinkedIn, please click on the About page, which I had so much fun making by manipulating animation delays. Users can sign up or log in. The sign-up page has React client-side form validation so that all fields must be filled out and in the correct pattern, otherwise the form will not submit. When we log in, we are greeted by the dashboard with info queried from the database. You can edit your profile information. The fields are populated with info from your last edit. Much like everywhere else on my website, React hooks are used to send data to my backend and update the page without refresh. You can check notifications from recent ride requests and feedback. I tried to reduce my dependencies on external libraries, so instead of importing the number counter, rating star, or notifications, I coded my own components. On the post section, React's client-side validation is used so that you cannot submit a past date, nor an absurd price or seat number. Google Maps API and autocomplete was implemented with the useRef hook, which creates a reference to the HTML inputs for start and end location and the div for the map. Autocomplete is also implemented to make searching for rides easier. You can sort results by date, price, or seats. Form validation prevents requesting an invalid seat number, requesting more than twice, or requesting your own ride. You can include a message which will be sent to the driver's phone number via Twilio API. If you want to message the user in-app instead, you can navigate to the user's profile. I use the Socket.io room, which enables real-time private messaging by allowing bilateral communication between the client and server. You can also access these messages by clicking on the top right. The message sidebar reflects the most recent message and a short snippet of the message as well. On the rides page, ternary operators were used so that if there are no passengers, you can edit your full ride. Otherwise, you can only edit select information. You can click on the passenger's name to get their contact info and then either approve or deny their request. If there are no seats left, you have an option to remove a passenger by clicking on Manage Ride. There's also an option to delete the ride altogether. Let's navigate over to the Ride section, where you can check the status of your requests. If the request is still pending, you can edit the number of seats. You can also cancel your request or delete the entry depending on the ride status. For all the alerts, React Context API was used to manage state instead of prop drilling. On the past rides, you can rate your driver or passenger. I used JavaScript event listeners to create the hover effect, and when I had issues with my stars not changing color in response to a click event, I learned the importance of unique keys. It was difficult to use React with limited knowledge, but I'm an extremely fast learner always up for a challenge, and once I noticed the patterns, I was able to implement them smoothly. Styling was done with CSS and Bootstrap, which I really enjoyed doing because I've always been passionate about art and design. On the back end, Flask is used with Postgres and SQL Alchemy. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to my instructors and wonderful mentors. I hope you enjoy the ride.